Hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mimi.
And this is
Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from
Lakeside.
Yep, this one comes, this is another one from James from Lakeside, California, a friend to the Ramen Raider. He's been sending stuff for a long time, and this is another box of noodles. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. First off, we've got this one. This is Japanese, and this is Sugakiya Cup Nagoya Kishimen. I'm really unsure about this one. It looks like you drained it off, and it looks like it's a fresh noodle. It's kind of got some weight to it, so that's what I'm thinking. So cool, thanks. And then we've got this Manraku Japanese ramen shoyu tonkatsu. And this Manraku chili tomato. Boy, I haven't heard of this one before. This is new. Well, big thanks to James and Lakeside for shooting more awesome stuff over. Really appreciate it. And this has been Hans. And this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
It's your day.
Have a good one.
Bye.